Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Fuse. You're in the right place if you're a Suzuki Grand Vitara owner or a DIY enthusiast. In today's video, we're diving into the Fusebox diagram for the Suzuki Grand Vitara models from 2008 to 2015. This guide will help you locate, identify, and troubleshoot any electrical issues you might be facing with your car. So, whether you're a pro or a beginner, stick around, this one's for you. And that's it for today's guide on the Suzuki Grand Vitara 2008 to 2015 Fusebox diagram. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the fuse locations, what each fuse controls, and how to troubleshoot common electrical issues. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Suzuki DIYs and car maintenance tips. Do you have any questions or have you encountered any fuse-related issues in your Suzuki Grand Vitara? Comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.